third module, yesterday we started with the Indian climate and concept of monsoon. Yes, your questions अभी आएंगे, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आएंगे. So the topic we were discussing the Indian climate, and we discuss unlike weather, climate is long term average of the weather condition, especially temperature condition and rainfall kind of condition. On the basis of temperature, India is relatively hotter or colder? Hotter, because we are part of tropical largely. And Himalayas also providing which benefit to India? Keeping away which winds? Siberian winds north of the Himalaya. Thus, we can truly say, despite this reason that North India is subtropical, but it is behaving like tropical due to the absence or negligence, or rather absence of which kind of winds? Siberian cold winds. But why we say Indian climate is monsoon? Due to the rain factor, and monsoon by nature is only rain, also wind system, and this wind system is actually having only one direction or two direction. In June, July, August, September it becomes southwest, and in case of other time it becomes northeast. That we call seasonal reversal of the winds. What is the definition of the monsoon? Seasonal reversal of the winds. As season change, winds also change its direction twice in a year. So one part of the year in India dominance of southwest monsoon winds. In another part of the year, India has the northeast monsoon wind. Can you tell me what is the connection of the winds with rainfall? If winds are coming from the ocean, they would bring which thing with that? Moisture. Moisture will be then helping hand in making the cloud and thus also rain. So which winds will cause rain, southwest or northeast? Southwest. But what is the meaning of southwest monsoon wind? These are coming from the oceanic area. From which direction? Southwest direction, and hitting in the northeastern side. And this is entire large part of India is covered by that. Can you tell me that why winds originate? Due to the pressure difference. And why pressure difference is maintained? Due to the temperature difference. So things are interrelated, or these all are separate part? Interrelated. Hotter the area, lower the pressure. If lower the pressure, then this area will attract the wind from the surrounding. But why hot area, low pressure? Because hot area surrounding air will be expanded or contracted? Expanded. And after expansion, air becomes lighter, heavier. Lighter air has which tendency? Rising, sinking. Rising, thus maintaining which pressure on the surface? Less air pressure and low pressure. एंड लो प्रेशर एरिया कहीं बन जाता है तो वो अट्रैक्ट करता है विंड को चारों ओर से. ओशन की हवाएं, इफ आई से if these are coming from the ocean surrounding, these winds towards the Indian low pressure area in June, July, if I say it is a normal kind of wind or moist wind, as they carry the moisture from the ocean. So basically monsoon is a kind of seasonal reversal of wind, and concept of monsoon is very complex, and this concept of the monsoon or concepts of, we can say concepts rather, not only single concept, rather different concepts of monsoon, discuss of monsoon mechanism, especially which monsoon is more important to us that cause heavy rainfall. Southwest monsoon mechanism, southwest monsoon. And Britishers explained the southwest monsoon on which basis? Thermal concept. Thermal concept put forward by Britishers, British scholars. And after Second World War, more advancement in the knowledge regarding upper atmosphere, etc. as well, more jet plane, etc. Then one concept was given by the scientists, dynamic concept. Even in present time, some other concepts also being discussed in monsoon. Those are modern concept. So we have three kind of concept: thermal, dynamic, and modern. Present time any research is going on monsoon part, that is part of the modern. Modern means recent. On the basis of recent studies, the recent does not mean 1 year back, 2 year back. Recent could be 10 year, 20, 30, 40 year, even the recent one. So we haven't to say कि 20-30 years वाला समय बहुत ज़्यादा पुराना हो गया है. That is also the recent one. But presently as well, recent one. So we have three kind of concept: the old concept, the thermal, later on the dynamic, and in recent times, last 30-40 years till now, the modern concept we see. Yesterday we discussed that what is the main motive of thermal concept to discuss the monsoon in India, how wind change the direction, complete reversal 180 degree turn. As Britishers talked about this concept on which basis? Differential heating between land and ocean. Differential heating between land and ocean. And I think I discussed with you what is the meaning of differential heating between land and ocean. I discussed with you that the meaning is here that difference of the heating, that in case if we take the land and we take nearby water, then we discussed already that amount of sunlight if falling on the land surface and ocean surface, which tendency both show. Same amount of sunlight is falling on equal area, for example unit area here as well, but which is easily getting hotter by even lesser amount of sunlight. Land that is made up by sand, and sand is known to get heated easily due to the low specific heat. Specific heat means what? To increase 1 degree Celsius temperature, how much heat is required. So बहुत कम हीट के अंदर भी, बहुत कम सनलाइट में भी लैंड जल्दी गर्म हो सकती है दिन के समय, बिकॉज लैंड इज मेड अप बाय सैंड. Unlike it, water is not easily affected by the sunlight, and rather we can say that water, despite you can say receiving the same sunlight, but this water has which tendency? With a lot of heat, water will respond to high temperature. So it is the same thing if we keep the same amount of heat to sand and same amount of heat to water, then water will be easily boiled. Water will take time. Too much heat is required to boil the water. Sand will achieve that temperature quickly, but sand is which nature as well? Quickly heating, quickly even releasing the heat. Water is neither getting heated easily nor getting cooler easily. एक बार हीट को अब्सॉर्ब करेगा, पर एक बार हीट आ गई वाटर में तो हीट को पकड़ के रखेगा, रिलीज कर देगा, पकड़ के रखेगा. और we even say ocean, that's why we call heat sink or heat releasing body, heat sink. So oceans are acting like a heat sink, absorbing heat and heat but not releasing as much. So they are basically retaining the heat a lot. वाटर की टेंडेंसी है ये, बट लैंड की टेंडेंसी क्या है? हीट को एब्जॉर्ब जल्दी करके हम टेम्परेचर बढ़ा देगा, बट हीट को रिलीज करके कूल भी हो सकता है. तो विंटर में क्या होता है? लैंड कूल हो जाती है या वाटर? लैंड कूल हो जाती है. थोड़ी सनलाइट कम होगी, लैंड कूल भी हो जाएगी, बट वाटर विल बी रिलेटिवली वार्मर. दैट वी कॉल डिफरेंशियल हीटिंग बिटवीन लैंड एंड ओशन. India in the north is dominated by land, India in south dominated by the ocean. So we have a kind of ideal kind of condition, one side ocean, one side land. And if I say that in summer season, if I say Britishers talked about on the basis of thermal concept differential heating between land and ocean, that if it is summer season, for example it is the Indian portion, and here we have the water body. Then this land in summer season, June, July time, for example, as already we discussed in June, July, one sun is just above Cancer, June time, for example, and July also very close to Cancer, and also August. Only in September the sun is able to reach to which area? Equator. I think I discussed this part already. So we observed that June, July, August, even September month, we can say this area relatively hot area, cold area. Hot area due to more sunlight here, and thus maintaining low pressure, high pressure, low pressure. Water, as we discuss again and again, neither getting heated easily nor getting cooler easily. Even this much heat is not enough for water to increase its temperature. Relatively, it will remain cooler, and cooler surrounding will lead to air come closer, air move away, come closer, and come closer means air become denser, heavy or lighter. Denser air put more pressure, less pressure on the surface, more pressure, high pressure. So high pressure on the water body, and this high pressure here and low pressure here. Then air should move high pressure to low pressure, and this air is moving like that in June, July, August, September. And this kind of wind we call by which name? Southwest monsoon wind. Why southwest? Because direction of the wind from southwest. Why it is reaching to this surrounding? Because Indian land is low pressure area. So that's why this particular explanation was given by Britishers. But in winter, December, Jan, Feb, for example, or November, October, then which thing we observe? That the same land of India in winter time, when sun on which side? More on the Cancer side in winter or Capricorn side? Capricorn. India is closer to Capricorn, away from Capricorn. So India is receiving more sunlight, less sunlight. That it is a time of the cooling or warming. Cooling. You can say this land is not receiving much sunlight, but it has ability to release the heat, and this heat once released by the surface becomes colder. So in winter time, December, Jan, surface become very cold, and if winter surface is cold, air molecule come closer and making with pressure again, high pressure. So in winter, high pressure on the land or water? High pressure on the land. And water, as I said, neither getting heated easily nor getting cooler. So this heat which has taken up already is not going to be released easily. So unlike the land, water in this surrounding, can you tell me relatively warmer, colder? Warmer, and warmer will make this area low pressure, high pressure. Low pressure comparison to here, and then wind moves opposite direction, and this wind we will call by which name? Northeast monsoon wind. This entire discussion by the British scientists based upon differential heating between land and ocean, based upon the nature of both the surfaces are different. You can say land and oceans exhibit a different kind of response to the sunlight. You got this point? On this basis, the movement of wind like this. So one season, the southeast monsoon season, another season, the northeast monsoon season. But if we say one more point here, no doubt Britishers were correct to this extent that pressure difference on both the surfaces, land versus ocean, will be different, and thus difference in the wind direction as well as season change. But one problem came up, rather different problem you can say. Which problem? For example, if I say that if we consider it is Bay of Bengal as well, then in June, July, August, September, Bay of Bengal also relatively high pressure, low pressure by this concept. High pressure, then wind should move like that as well. And this wind you will call by which name? Southwest or southeast? Southeast. And in winter season, this area, Bay of Bengal, low pressure, high pressure? Low pressure. So one more wind will come from northwest as well. But we don't realize northwest, we don't realize the southeast. It means that Arabian Sea, it is correct, but in Bay of Bengal it is not correct. Why we don't observe the wind in Bay of Bengal also like that? Why only we observe only either Bay of Bengal or Arabian Sea like that? Or here, all are like that coming from this side. It means that monsoon concept is not merely dependent upon the differential heating between land and ocean as described by Britishers based upon thermal concept, but beyond that as well. It is partial truth, and truth is here is having more dimension, not only one side but different side of monsoon, and other sides of the monsoon also described by the scientists later on. For example, scientists later on connected monsoon behavior, monsoon wind behavior only merely Indian land and nearby that the Arabian Sea, or beyond that, even beyond that. Why don't we include Bay of Bengal? Why don't we include Indian Ocean as a whole? And then discussing the equatorial area and surrounding area as well. Yesterday, if you remember, in dynamic concept later on, which thing was discussed as well? That dynamic concept talked about that there are certain special area on the globe beyond India, and those areas along the equator, low pressure or high pressure? Low pressure. Why equatorial area low pressure area? Because equatorial area is that area of the earth receiving more sunlight, and more sunlight then forcing the air to expand and becoming lighter and rising and maintaining more low pressure area. So on the globe, which area is having low pressure area? Equatorial area. And this low pressure area, as yesterday also we discussed, suppose it is the equator, surrounding area of the equator, this area due to hot condition having which kind of pressure? Low pressure. But you are aware of low pressure area has which kind of tendency? Attraction of the wind or repulsion of the wind? Attraction. And wind can come from this direction as well, from this direction as well. So convergence or divergence? Convergence. And equatorial area within tropical or outside tropical? Within tropical, between two tropics. So this area we call intertropical or normal area? Intertropical. Intertropical means between the tropics. This side Cancer, this side Capricorn, and it is definitely intertropical. And here we are observing which thing? Convergence or divergence? Convergence due to low pressure area. That's why we call this area by which name? Either we can call equatorial low pressure area, or we can call it ITCZ, intertropical convergence zone. That is also discussed by which term? ITCZ or ITCZ here. So if I say low pressure area along the equator as equatorial area are part of tropical, so we can call it intertropical. As low pressure area is having more convergence, then we can call it convergence zone as well. So is it wrong or correct to say that equatorial area normally intertropical convergence zone? Intertropical convergence zone. And what is the meaning of ITCZ? That winds all surrounding will try to converge in which area of the earth? Equatorial area. तो पूरी जो सिस्टम है हेल्प करेगा किसी इस एरिया को भर दिया जाए जो लो प्रेशर एरिया बना हुआ है, यहाँ तक हवाएं पहुंच जाए, तो पूरा सिस्टम लग जाएगा इसको भरने के लिए, क्या करने के लिए? कन्वर्ज करवाने के लिए, इधर से इधर से इधर से इधर से. बट इफ आई से that in Indian case we have the Himalayas as well, so which entry is easy for the convergence here? For example, the south. But if we say ki which time some changes is visible in this particular part, once summer season comes, and especially June month, so in June time sun exactly overhead on equator or rather above Cancer, above Cancer. So which area for number of days then receiving more sunlight? The Cancer in June time. So in June time, May, June is that time when sun is throwing more sunlight on equator or Cancer surrounding. Similarly, in December, sunlight is thrown more on which side? In Capricorn surrounding. So we can say that we say on an average equator receiving more sunlight. But if we talk about particular time period, then certain area in particular time period can receive more sunlight. For example, Tropic of Cancer is receiving more sunlight in which time? June, July time. And this particular area, the kind of Capricorn receiving more sunlight. But in totality, we can say equator. So if we say that sun is basically always fixed in the position equator, it has certain fluctuation. And on 21st June, sun can reach up to here, and 21st March and 20th of September, sun will again come back here, and December, sun will reach to Capricorn. Basically, Earth is changing the position, but as with reference to our Earth, we think that sun is changing the position. whether sun or earth, ultimately what is the result? That sun is always overhead on equator, it changes position as well. And once in June time, when sun on Cancer, and India is very much part of the Cancer, then low pressure area will be more on the equator or on Cancer surrounding or Indian surrounding in June time, in Cancer surrounding. So ITC get a kind of lowest pressure area of the earth, in which time it may shift northward in June time. So what is the meaning of low pressure area, ITC area? कि ये कई जगह बनेगा या एक समय में एक ही जगह रहेगा, एक समय में एक ही जगह रहेगा. So this low pressure area able to converge or able to attract the wind from all surrounding, it remain in June time on equator or shift northward. Shift northward.